Population of grasshoppers doubles every 10 days. If the population at the beginning of the cycle is 8,000, write a formula to express the population P of t in terms of t days. Find the population after 1 6 weeks, 2 10 weeks, and how long will it take for the population to reach 5 million? Okay, so let's write P of t equals A b to the kt. Now firstly, when t equals 0, the population's 8,000, and we know that when t equals 0 here, this value becomes 1. So A must be 8,000. So P of t equals 8,000 b to the kt. Now how do we find b? Now the whole population doubles. So we're talking about doubling, multiple 2 times 2 times 2 every 10 days. Okay, so b is actually 2. So it's P of t equals 8,000 times 2 to the kt. Now, if it was doubling every single day, k would be 1. But it's doubling every 10 days. So k is actually 1 on 10. So when t equals 0, P of t equals 8,000. When t equals 10 days, P of t equals 8,000 times 2 to the 10 on 10, which is 2 to the 1, which equals 8,000 times 2, so it doubles, 16,000. When t equals 20, P of t is equal to 8,000 times 2 to the 20 on 10, which is 8,000 times 2 to the 2, which equals 8,000 times 4, and that is 32,000. So 10 days, it's doubled from 8,000 to 16,000. Another 10 days, it's gone from 16,000 to 32,000. So that's the correct formula. Okay, so part B, what's the population after 6 weeks? So P of 6 times 7 days equals P of 42 is equal to 8,000 times 2 to the 42 on 10, which equals 147,033 grasshoppers. So part 2, after 10 weeks, P of 70 equals 8,000 times 2 to the 70 on 10 equals 8,000 times 2 to the 7, which is 8,000 times 128, and that gives us 1,024,000 grasshoppers. So part C, how long will it take for the population to reach 5 million? So 8,000 times 2 to the t on 10 equals 5 million. So 2t on 10 is equal to 5 million on 8,000. The zeros, some of the zeros can cancel. So that equals 5,000 on 8, which equals 625. So we've got 2t on 10 equals 625. So we can take the log form now, and we can say that log to base 2 of 625 is equal to t on 10. So t equals 10 times log 2 625. Now to perform that on the calculator, we need to convert that base to a 10. So t equals 10 log 625 to base 10 on log 2 to the base 10, which equals 10 times 9.288 equals 92.88 days to reach 5 million grasshoppers.